Hey, what's up? I have the new product from Heimvision company. However, this is not security camera as we have tested before. Heimvision Soothe 3 is a video baby monitor with camera. The monitor has 5-inch diagonal and built-in battery, while the camera has 1080p resolution, night vision, 360 degrees PTZ, two-way audio and other features. By the way, you don't need Wi-Fi or application on smartphone to connect the camera to baby monitor. It uses 2.4 GHz digital Wi-Fi transmission for connection. We will talk about it in this video. But first, let's do unboxing and a look at design of Heimvision Soothe 3 video baby monitor. Just by looking at the box, we understand that this device is designed for baby monitoring. The video monitoring system consists of two devices, the monitor itself and camera. On the back we can read the specifications such as memory card storage, lens, video resolution, screen size, PTZ and others. There are also key features on the top of the box. Inside the box I found a user manual, camera, monitor, and another box with two power adapters, USB to micro USB cable for camera, USB to USB Type-C cable for monitor, mounting bracket and screw set. Very nice. So the new Heimvision baby monitoring system consists of two devices, camera and monitor. Let's start with camera. Did you notice that Heimvision camera looks very similar to Emilab A1 that we have tested some months ago? However, all security cameras look similar lately. The camera is made of white plastic and only lens on the front is black. There is also microphone, night vision sensor, IR LEDs, reset button. On the back we can see a speaker, antenna, temperature sensor, and micro USB port. As I already said, there is a mounting bracket in the package, so the camera has a special groove on the bottom. Now let's take a look at the monitor. It is made of the same plastic materials and in the same white color as the camera. The monitor has antenna, power button and a wax button on the top. There is memory card slot on the left side and USB Type-C charging port on the right. On the back we can see a speaker and a stand. On the front there is a big 5-inch LCD display. It has a resolution of 480 pixels. To the right side of the screen we can see power indicator, microphone hole and many control buttons. We will talk about them a little later. By the way, the monitor has a 3600 mAh built-in battery. Probably you can undo the screws on the back to remove the battery. However, I think you shouldn't do this. Okay, we have talked about design of the camera and monitor. I really like how they look like. These devices are also well made. Now I want to power on the display and look at its functions. When you first power on the display, you will see that the camera is not connected. The connection process is very simple. You don't need Wi-Fi or application on smartphone. Just connect the power adapter to the camera and socket to power on the camera. That's all. After that you will see the image from the camera on the monitor. On the main screen of the monitor we can see a signal, battery level, temperature and a sound in the left top corner. There is also a camera channel in the center. By the way, Heimvision Soothe 3 baby monitoring system supports up to 4 cameras. You can buy 3 cameras additionally and connect them to the monitor. Using this button you can switch the cameras. As I already said, Heimvision camera has 360 degrees PTZ, so you can move the camera left, right, up and down using these buttons. There is also a useful OK button in the center to zoom the image. The camera has two-way audio. Just press the last microphone button to talk. If you want to change the volume level or screen brightness, then use this button. The monitor also has a settings menu. In the settings you can choose the camera channel, set a time interval for feeding, choose a sound alarm from low, medium, high and off, temperature alarm, music, a display with sleep timer, video recording, video playback, system settings and about. In the system settings you can set a time and date, choose a language, factory reset, check the memory card capacity and firmware version. So Heimvision Soothe 3 doesn't have app support and you cannot connect the camera to smartphone. All the settings are on the monitor. Now let's look at the video quality. I shot the video in good light and in the dark. Heimvision Soothe 3 is really useful and must-have device for those who have a baby. This is a video monitoring system with 1080p camera, 5-inch display, and many useful functions, such as two-way audio, night vision, vox mode, 360° PD0 mode. I really like that no Wi-Fi required. The camera and monitor are connected through its own 2.4 GHz wireless network. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi at home, the camera and monitor will work. The price of Heimvision Video Baby Monitoring System is only $90 on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description under this video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.